Hello, good afternoon, guy. My name is Aida from Mike Sunday, and I'm a web designer. And in this video tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to build a complete website from scratch. But before I go to that place, I would like to start with because I'll be using a subdomain, and I've been hearing a lot of questions. People are chatting me up. How do I create a subdomain and stuff like that? So in this same video, I'll be teaching you how to create a subdomain before I move to how to design or probably how to install WordPress and how to design your website step by step. I'm going to show you everything. So let's go without wasting much of our time. So sorry, before we move forward, please, I'll be glad to subscribe if you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. Because the major reason why I'm here is because of you, and the only way you can help me is for you to just subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. So let's go. Now, if you want to go create a subdomain. What is subdomain? Subdomain is an additional extension of your domain name. Subdomain will allow you to have another website using that same name of a website. Now, for example, now let me show you this particular website. If you want to create a subdomain, just come to your dashboard and come to under domain. Can you see under this domain? And you see add-on domain, subdomain. Just click on subdomain. So it will take you to this place. Now, this is the name of the website. Actually, this website is from my brother. I'm actually using his website to do a tutorial. Yeah. Now, this is the name of the website. Now, if I'm creating a subdomain now, look at how it will look like. The subdomain will look like it. For example, now the one I create now is I just create this one now is training.createwise.com. So this is a subdomain that I can use to create a new website apart from this one in the same hosting. So that is just subdomain. So I won't create another. If you want to create another one, just put the name of the website you want to create. Maybe business, and you click on, and you come here and click on create, and you wait for it to load. Now, if you look at it now, you see that it has successfully been created. So you just click on cPanel to go back. So now what you need to do now is to install WordPress. In case you don't know how to install WordPress, it's very simple. WordPress is one of the most simplest things you can do. Just scroll down. This is your cPanel. Once you log into your cPanel, just scroll down and scroll down to this place, script, and click on WordPress. This is WordPress. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this place, and you click on install now. So immediately you click on install now, it's going to take you to a new page. Click on install now. So it's going to take you to this place. Now, what you need to be very careful about is that you don't need to install to this place again, because already this site has already been existing. This is the file. Let me show you. I was going to design it for my brother, Create West Enterprise. Now this is the site, and this is the site. This is the site. So I've already finished the design of a thing. So let me just move back. Now, there's a website already in this place. So one of the things you must be very careful about is that you click on this place and click on which one do you want to use. Let me use training. There's no, I just created it. And you come here and make sure this place is empty. You clean it. Now, if you look at this place, can you see it's not secured? But don't worry, I will teach you how to secure it. Or I show you my video on how to secure your website. Is not any website that is not secure. Now, can you see now this is the admin username and this is the password. So you can leave it as admin, and the password, let me just put in my number for this place. Should I need let me just use my number 090-3538-2271. I don't like using my number as a password, but I think can you see it's not even strong. Let me use deleting 090-3538-2271. Now deleting 090. I pray I remember. Let me copy so that I can remember. Now you just scroll down. You can just call it. What is the name of the site? Training. Web training. Let me just call it web training. Web training. And what is the site description? Deleting web training is the best place to get your web design training. Now just come back, just go down and click on install now. So in a couple of minutes now, the site is going to be installed completely. So can you see it loading? So let's wait for it to load. Can you see our site is installed successfully? So we click on here to view this stuff, and you click on here to view your dashboard. This is your back end. Can you see? This is a back end. Okay, I don't need this place. Yeah, this is your back end. Can you see it's showing error? Why is it showing error? Because the site is not secured, and that is one of the benefits of securing a website. Now you just click on proceed. Just click on proceed. Don't worry, I'm going to secure the site by God's grace, and I'm going to show you how I go about it. Just click on proceed, and I will come here again. I will click on advanced and click on proceed. One of the things is that Google does not relate with any website that is not secure. This is the front end of the website, and this is the back end. Okay, this is the back end of the website rather. Back end of the website. Now the first thing I'm going to do is that I want to secure this site, so I need to come and install a plugin. I will come in here and click on add new. Can you see under plugin, you see install plugin and add new. Just click on add new. And there's a particular plugin we called simple. We called it SSL, but I think the name of the SSL is SSL. Let me see, maybe it's gonna come out. If it come out fine, if it doesn't come out, I think I need. Yeah, this is really simple. Just install it, and immediately you install it, you wait for it to load, and you activate it instantly. Now you activate it. Now, can you see? All you need to do is just come and say install SSL certificate. Save and continue. You can just come here and just click on save and continue. I think I agree. Yeah, that's true. You don't even okay. Just click on it. Sure. Now, if you go and check this website, let me copy this website name. Let me just copy this website name. Let me click on save and continue. Just copy this website name. I just want to show you something. Copy. And you come to this new incognito. I paste it. I type it. Okay, still showing not secured. Okay, wait. Okay, still showing not secured. Then no problem. So let me just come to my. Don't worry, I won't use this method again. I'm going to install this from the back end. So let me just show you how to design a website. But some people might be saying, no. Let's see how you go about it. So let me go to my hosting package, and I will come to my cPanel, and I want to install this only. Mind you, this only work for if you are using TrueHost as a hosting company. Just come to your Let's script. What is it? Yeah, this is it. Let's script. Just click on it. And once you click on it, you come here. You click on. Can you see? This one does not have SSL. So all I need to do is this is training I'm using. I just issue it. Immediately I issue it. Let me just click on this and let me scroll down and click on issued. So that means I don't even need this thing again. I don't need it again. So let me check it out. Let me wait for it to load. Let's wait for it to load. Can you see the SSL certificate is now installed onto the domain? Blah 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 blah. Now, initially, if you are using another hosting that is not this hosting company, that is not TrueHost, you can just go. I have a video on how to secure your website. Let me just search for it. How to what is it called? How to secure your website. should be here. Yeah, step by step on how to add. This is it on my YouTube channel. Just come and click on the video and watch it. It will guide on how to make use of this really simple way to secure your website. You don't have a problem with that. So let's go back. Let's refresh our website. Let me just refresh my website. By now it should be secured now. So let me just wait for it to load, please. Yeah, guys, can you see now? It's actually secured. So I will go ahead and delete that plugin. It's not useless. It's useless to me because of the fact that this is the only plugin. Let me just delete all. I don't need them for now. Deactivate. Let me delete every one of them and apply. I don't need them again. So in case you don't really get the way, I don't need you also. You can go. Let me deactivate it. I don't need it. Delete. Yeah. Can you see the website is still secured? But in case you don't get it, I've shown you. Come to my YouTube channel. Just click on the come and click on this video step by step on how to add security to your website for free. That's just it. So let me not waste much of time. So now to design a website, there is a particular common theme I use, Astra. I don't know, maybe I should use that also. But there's a new theme. Okay, let me just use Astra for you guys because of the fact there's a new theme and I will start designing a video. There's a new theme that also have a very nice design like Astra. So, but let me use Astra today, so you guys can see. But wait, let me use that new theme, please. Now the theme we'll be using now is we'll click on Add New to add a new theme. So the name of the theme is Navy. Though I've not used it, this is the first time I want to use it in this video. Although I don't really know how it works, but according to this is the theme. Can you see? I've not used it in my life. This is just the first time, and I believe we can actually see something nice from it. So you click on Install. Who is the color? And you click on, after installing, you click on Activate. Now, can you see? Congratulations. Okay. Now, if you are familiar with Astra, anytime you install Astra, it's going to ask you that, okay, congratulations, we have a starter template you can use. This theme also does the same thing. It's going to tell you, okay, we have a starter template we're using. Try one of our ready to use starter site. So what you need to do is just to click on it. So you click on it. Now, when you click on that, can you see what it's telling you? It said, in order for you to be able to import any starter site for Navy, you would need to have the cloud template and pattern collection plugin active. Now all you need to do is, don't waste your time, just click on Install and Activate. Now can you see this site now? It's going to ask you, what do you want to use? Just let's click on Elementor. Upgrade to the Pro version and get instant access to all premium templates. So we don't really need to upgrade to the Pro version. Just let's mix of the free. So let's just see the little we can use. I'm looking for the free one of it. Let me just look for the free theme that we can use. Hello guys, I'm very sorry guys. When I get to this template now, though it was my student that told me you make use of this, and unfortunately when I get to this template there's no free template here. So I'm very sorry. I will need to go and install another one. I need to go and install Astra theme and just make use of it. So let me I will delete everything here and go back to so just come to plugin in case you want to delete a website and install a new one. So click on Add New and come here and click on WP Reset. So WP Reset will actually help you to delete all your website at once, or everything you have installed on the website. So I'll click on it and activate, and I will just need to click on Open WP Reset. So when you open it, all you just need to come scroll down and come to this place. Just type reset there. and click on reset site automatically, and click on reset WordPress. Automatically, in less than 1 minute or 2 minutes, the website will be reset automatically. Can you see everything is now new? So let's go back and use our Astra. I don't know, I should have known. I should have come and stay on my own Astra, JJ. I thought we can make some new stuff. So just come here and click on install Astra. This is Astra. Click on install. And let's wait for it, and then we move to activate. Then after you install, can you see Astra? Thank you for installing Astra. Click on it, the starter template, to get free template. Because ever since I've started my web design career, it was when I was a beginner, I was using B team. That was the premium team I was using then. But get to a point, I don't use premium team again. I use free team. So when you get to this place, you click on build your website now, and you click on Elementor. Elementor is a page builder that allows you to edit each page on your website, and it's a very good one. So you click on Elementor. So you wait for it to load. Now, anytime you come to this place, you see everything is empty, right? Yeah, everything is empty. What you need to do is just to click on this starter template, logo. And you wait, and can you see now everything are displaying. I will wait for it to load. There's a lot of template. One of the things I love Astra above every other thing is that it will only show you both premium and free. It won't be showing you. And in fact, if you want to come here, you can just come here and just say, okay, maybe you want to just limit it to all or premium. If you want to show only premium, you click on premium. If you want to show both free and premium, you click on all. So rather than wasting much of time, what can we do? Let's do something. I'm looking for a design to do. Restaurants. It's been a long time I designed a restaurant's website. Restaurants. Okay. Let's go. Sorry guys. I believe many of you guys will want to do a digital agency. Yeah, I believe many of you want to do it. Should we use digital agency? Yeah, let's go about this. Now, let's make it of digital. I want to show you one secret. As a professional web designer, there are some things you need to know. So just click on skip and continue. Scroll down and click on skip and continue. And you can just put in your name here, working. Who are you? Expert for myself. And you scroll down. For me to start building my website. So you wait for it. Now, this template I'm using. Let me show you something. Let me show you ChrisWhiteEnterprise.com. I want to show you. This template I was actually trying to install now is a digital template. And look at this template. This is a shipping company that I designed a website for. Can you see? This same digital template I use here. You will see it now. And you will see the difference. Can you see? Congratulations, your website. Now let's view our website. Now, can you see now? The same digital template I use. Now, this template is meant for digital. But see, digital people who are doing maybe digital training or digital agency. But see, when you are good in what you're doing, when you are good in web designing, you can use any template to design any website. You can use a church template to go and design a company website, and it will still be nice, perfect. Now, I met a guy not quite long. The guy was designing a website for a church. for the guy was designing a church website. So the guy needed an Elementor Pro for me. Though from me, I don't used to use the Elementor Pro. I use ordinary Elementor. But the guy actually needs some features, so in the Elementor Pro. So he sent me the website he was designing. When I look at the website, the template he used was I think the template was I think digital agency template, or I've forgotten. But the template does not relate with church template at all. And I asked him, why will you use that kind of template? I love it. But because the guy is very good, he knows how to customize it and change everything. Now can you imagine now? This is the same. Now this is the same, and this place gonna make the, can you see the video that was, the sliding stuff? So can you see? So it all depends on what you want to do. So if you want to come here, just this is your website, and if you want to start editing, let's start editing our home page. You can just click on edit with Elementor and click on open a new tab, and you take it to this place. So you come here. Now, what you need to do is just come here and close this place. So once you close this place, can you see? Now, one thing about Elementor is that it allows you to do drag. You can drag and do anything you want to do. You can edit from here and just say try on your try. You can just type anything. Can you see? You can do anything. But the best place that people used to advise that once you click on it, you come to your right corner here, to your right hand side, and you click on digital agency that allow that. I don't even know what is there. But let me press Ctrl Z, that allow you to thrive on your success. Yeah. So that's one thing about the benefit of this thing. If you are doing something, maybe you mistakenly enter anything or mistakenly press anything, you can change them here, and that is just it. And from there, you can change anything here. If you want to make sure this image is keep rolling, like this one. If you look at this side now, you see that this image is keep rolling. Let's wait for a few seconds and you will see what can you see the image change. That's what we call slider. Though Elementor allow you to do something like that, but there's a people who use app. They use they use plugin. They call the plugin Slider Revolution. So, but in this tutorial, you don't really need that. You can actually make use of Elementor, and what you need to do is just, if you want to do that kind of slider, you can just come here and say, okay, click on this 6 button icon, and come to your style. So immediately you come to your style, can you see this is the image? You can choose, you can just change it. It was in this thing is on classic. So you come here and change it to, can you see, slider show. Immediately you change it to slider show, can you see this thing change? And you come here. Let me just show what I mean. Let's make it of the media. Let's just pick this guy, and this guy. Create a new gallery. I think it's okay like this. And click on insert new gallery. Now let me update. Okay, I think I should be able to view it from here. Okay, I've already updated already. Now I can preview. I want to preview the changes. Let me see the changes I've made. Can you see? This is the first image. Can you see this image is also showing? Second one is showing. But look at this. The background overlay is too thick. Though in an ideal way, background overlay is very good for it to take so that the text on this stuff can be able to show very clearly. But if you let me just show you something. So let me come here to this background overlay. This is it. Sorry. My background overlay, yeah. The opacity, let me just make it. Let me just put it in 0.70. Yeah. And let's preview it. Let's preview it and see that there's going to be a difference now. Now, can you see now that let me even refresh it so you can see what I'm talking about. Can you see that you can see this picture clearly now more than before? Can you see you can see it more than before? So in most cases, you can just reduce it to the best space of yours and come here. The variety, you can change this place. This you can just put our service here and just come here. Our service. and just tell them what you're doing. Put what you're doing here, put the text here, put what you're doing here, put the text here, put what you're doing here, put the text here. That is all. And maybe you want to write about you, your vision, your goal. Just come here and put something about us, or let me just say about deleting. Who is this? Who is calling me now? About deleting. So let me pick this call. Now you can just put about deleting there, and if you don't like the color, maybe you want to change the color, come to style, come to background, text color. Because this is the color, you can change it to anything. But in most cases, I love to leave my color like that. So I'll just come back here and just click on this place. So you can write some things about you, few things about you. See, when you want it about web design is that, see, before you design a website, I do advise people to write their content, everything. For example, now if I want to design a website for my client, after I install the template, I will come here and look at everything in this section, everything in this place, everything. I will look at everything from the beginning to the end. And after looking at everything, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to write my content, what I want to display on my website. And after writing it, what I will just come is I'll just come and do copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste. That is all. Now that is what makes my work so easier. If you want to change this image, just click on it and you change it. So this tutorial is, I actually want to design something else initially. I really want to make it of that Nelly. I thought it's a free stuff, but because of the fact that I've already started recording my video and the Navy I want to use, the team I want to use, which is Navy, does not permit me to make use of their template except if I upgrade to premium. That's why, because initially this is not what I want to do, but I have no option. I've started my recording. So I don't just want to quit it like that, because already I've started one recording today that I quit because of the fact that I have a little issues from my back end here. So now this is another one again. So I was like, will I quit this one again? So that's why I don't want to quit it. Now if you look at this place, now this is a button here. This is the button. Find out it works. When you click on it, you can link it to another place. Can you see this button is linked to another place? For example, let me show you this website now. Now if you look at this website now, can you see I changed this button to learn more about us, and if you click on it, it's going to take you to this about us. It's going to take you to this hire us, rather learn more about us that way. You're gonna, when you click on this, when you click on this button now, it's going to change you to hire us. That's it. This is what we do, where you can also see more about us also. So you can direct it to any place. For example, now in the case of this place, let me show you something. Let me just change this button. Find out how, or let me just say learn more about us. Learn more about us. Now you can direct this place. I want to show you something before I go. But before that, let me just copy this. Copy. And I will click on, let me now search for about us. Can you see immediately I type about, I'm not even finishing. Can you see this is it now? And I'll click on update. So I'll come back here and show you what I mean. Immediately I update here to refresh it. Now anytime you come here and you click on about us, and you click on learn more about us, can you see? It takes you to about us page. That is it. Now, but let us zoom in. Maybe you want this thing. If you look at this place now, I was just even noticing it now. If you click on this place now, it takes you to this section. Why this section? Because this section is where they link it to. Now okay, let me show you something. Come. Let me change this. Let me just 1, 2, 3. Now let me paste this one there and let me update it. You will see that you agree with that anytime I click on this place, it's going to take me to this place. Why? Because this is the service, this section, this is a new section now. I will look at this place, I believe they will have anchored it and called it service. Let me see the structure. Okay, let's come to style. So I'm trying to look for something for you guys. Yeah, can you see the CSS ID? Yeah, the CSS ID here is talking about, is pointing to service. Now, if I change, okay, let me leave this service now and let me go to other section. About this about us, Abby. Let me come to this about us and come to advanced and come to my CSS ID and I put about here. About, and I come to this place. And I come to this place and I click on it and I push and I put about here. And I save it. Now, one thing you will notice is that anytime I click on this icon now you see that as I'm clicking on this now, it's not actually doing anything. Can you see? It's not responding. Why? Come and look at what I put here. Let me copy my CSS. Can you see? I think it should be in CSS class. Let me put it here. No, I think it should be in. Let me see what. Oh, I'm missing it. Is there? Is there? I was not made a mistake. Let me just copy this. We have update. And let me come to my about. Okay, about is there. Let me come to this button there. Can you see now? Can you see what I mean now? Anytime I click on this place now, but if you notice when I come to this place, if you notice, when I come to this place, this word is small letter. It's small letter. Now, but immediately what in this place when I was doing the editing of a thing, let me show you what. If I put in capital letter there, let me show you. Let me just come to advanced and come to the CSS ID. Let me just put. Let me use capital letter. Who's coming? Yeah, guys. Maybe now look at this place. This place is pointy. Is a small letter here now. About, and it's pointing to this section. These are our about us. Now, if you come to this section and you come to your advanced and you come to your CSS ID and you put capital letter here. Let me make use of this. Now, and you click on update. Because there was a time I tried this. Now, if I click on this stuff now, can you see? It's not taking me to any place. You know why? Because the code I put here is not small letter. It should be. I put in capital letter instead of small letter. So instantly, if I come here and just change it to small letter and I click on update, and I go back to the home page and I click on now, can you see? It's taking me to here. That is what we call that is just how it works. Now there's another thing again I need to show you guys. We call it anchor. But if you know this one, there's no need of you making use of anchor. Anchor is, let me show you let me just call me anchor. Where's anchor? Anchor. ANC. This anchor. This anchor, when you bring it to this place, to the top of this place, and you give it a name, anytime you want to put in your menu, this anchor really works fine, better with menu. Maybe for example, we have in this menu top, inside our menu bar, let me show you here. We have a lot of menu here. We have home, about us, service, and stuff like that. Maybe there's a particular aspect of your website that you want to link to that home page. Maybe for example, like this section. Maybe you want to link to this section. Why choosing us? But this anchor really works when you are designing a one-page website. But anytime you are designing different page websites, you don't really need the anchor. But anytime you are making use of one page website, it's really good for you to make use of anchor, because in one page website, everything about your website will be on one page, both the contact us and everything. So in one page website, everything you need to know, it should be here. Then you will now create a anchor menu. Anchor menu is, you begin to give this name. This one particular section now, our service. You put hash. Let me just show you how it works. So I'll just drag it. Let me just come to this our service now, and I will drag this anchor and put at the top. Now can you see what is the name of the store? I'll just put our service. Now I will save it. If I want to, okay sir, after saving this thing now, if I want to create another page called our service, our maybe initially there's no page. We don't have this page. We don't have this page already. You know, in one page website, you won't have all these theory. You will only have this one, and this one will not be displaying here. So, but let us mean you don't have all this theory now, and you want to have a section whereby you want to have, when people want to have a menu whereby when people click on it, you take them to this place. You can just make use of that, and let me just save it. Our service, right? I will click on this, save. Sorry, let me just make use of it, small letter, so that I won't be making a mistake. Small letter, yeah. And I'll click on update. Now, once I'm done with that, then let me come to my menu. Let me just come to this place. Let me come to my dashboard, yeah. Let me go to my menu by appearance. Appearance, and come to menu. Now let us zoom in. I want to remove this service page now. I want to remove this service page, and I want to add a custom link. Click on custom link. I just called it service. Our service. And I will come here. I will write hashtag our service. I hope you guys are seeing it. And I'll click on add to menu. This is it now. Now let me come to this page and refresh. No. Let me refresh. If I click on this place now, no, this is not it. It shouldn't show me this. I've deleted this place already. So let me come to this place and let me view my website, visit site, in a new tab. Can you see now? Now, if I click on this place, no, it's not working. Wait, let me just check this. The anchor I place here is under our service. Okay, and let me come to menu. Have to remove. Oh, sorry. After I finished this stuff, I didn't change. I didn't. What is it called? I didn't save the menu. This thing should not even be like this. Let me edit it very well. Can you see me? No, I was writing something else. This thing should be here. Sorry, my mouse fell. Yeah, Control C, and I'll just carry it. What's happening to my mouse? Right? Cancel. Let me just come to this place. I'm pressing Control V, and I'll call this place our service. and I will click on save menu. Yes. So I will need to come back to this place, and then let me just click on home to automatically refresh. Now, can you see this is our service now? Can you see initially it was here before, but this is it now. Now, when you click on it now, can you see where it takes you to now? It takes you to this place now. So that is how it takes you to this place. So that is how Anchor work. And better see Anchor work in a one-page website. In a website whereby you have decided to make sure every of your section is, maybe you have your own page like this, like all this stuff. Now you have your home page, and you have where people can actually you see your service, your about us, and next section you can even make here why you should choose us, and you make the last section contact us, because contact us always be at the bottom. You can put contact us here, contact us here, and then you will make sure you put anchor on each head and call them, okay, this place is contact us, the anchor here is contact us. Anchor here is why you should choose us at the top of this page. The anchor at the top of this page should be why you should choose, why people choose us, why you should choose us, or why choosing us, or anything. So after you finish putting anchor on each or at the top, on the top of every aspect, then you come to your menu. You come and create your menu. And maybe one of this time I'm going to do a video on how to design a one-page website and how to anchor it and how to do the label. One of this time. Though I have it on my YouTube channel, you can come there. This is where I did. I think I have it on my YouTube channel, yeah. Or where I was talking about how to do a portfolio website. How to build a portfolio website. If I didn't miss it, how to create an income. Let me just check it out. Oh, I've not done video. I think I've not done video on portfolio website. Let me. Oh, sorry. Portfolio website. Yeah, I should be able to see it here. Seriously? Oh, definitely that is in my next target then. If I have not done it, that will be my next video then on how to design a portfolio website. So I'm very sorry about that. My next target will be on that, but let me check very well because I'm not playing.
Sell online.
Just wanna check. How to this is it. I've done it. I've done a video on it. How to design a portfolio website whereby you can make use of Anchor. So I've done a video on how to design a portfolio website.
Now this is the video.
I can remember very well. So guys, let me just end this video here. Because actually, what I actually want to do today was something less initially, but because of the fact that what's it called? Because of my the template I want to use initially, which is Navy, that does not allow me to use their free templates, which I can't upgrade their premium now because I don't really need it. So I got to the next video I'll be doing now. I'll be making sure I go into details about what I want to teach. But today now, I believe in this video you should be able to learn how to create a subdomain, how to secure your website, and how to add an anchor and some other thing. Anchor is very, very important in your web design, in designing a website. If you know how to use Anchor, you can make use of one-page website to look as if it is a 4-page website to some people. Seriously, because people will be surprised on how to go about it. And what really matters is not about, let me tell you something. What matters most in designing a website is not about when you have the knowledge of everything. It's about your personal creativity. So that's the reason why one of these I'll be talking about what really makes you a professional web designer. People think what makes you a professional web designer is when you get this, get that, get this. But that is not what makes you a professional web designer. What makes you a professional web designer is how you can turn things, how you can manipulate some design, and that will look attractive to people. How you can think and create something. I must be sincere with you. See, I've seen a lot of people that used to call me, boss, this, I'm always share with you. In this industry of web design, let me show you something. I know some people that are very, very good than me. I think they are very, very professional than me. Let me just search for the best web design company in Ibadan. Now, by God's grace, this is the leading. In Google My Business, I'm the third person. These people, they know more than me. I know them personally. They are very good than me. But do you know, they are only ranking as number 4. I'm ranking at number 3 in Google My Business. But if you come to my normal business listing on Google, you'll see me as number 1 here. Can you see? Let me tell you something. What really make me this is not because of anything. It's not because of maybe I'm good. Look, let me show you the guy who is in number 2. This is the guy who is in number 2 now. And this guy was in Google My Business. It was in number 2 also here. This guy that was in number 1 here, you see that this guy is not even in 1 to 4. But this is me number 1. This guy, okay, let me show you the guy number 2. The guy happened to be my boss. Carries blue, yeah. This is number 2. This guy number 3. Now and John Leaf. I think John Leaf is number 4. If you go to the next page, yeah, John Beat. Now, what am I saying? This is that most of these people are better than me. They are good than me. I'll be sincere with you. But you know, when it comes to thinking and designing something and creating something unique, they may not be able to be there. See, what really makes you a professional web designer is not about the knowledge you have alone. It's about how you are able to market the knowledge. It's about your credibility. It's about how you are able to bring out this knowledge to the world. That is the reason why if you want to become a professional web designer, seek for knowledge and at the same time, think, create something unique, do something new. Make sure you update your profile. Make sure you do a new video on how to design a website. Make sure you improve yourself. Learn on a daily basis. And the way you design, make sure you are improving. Keep doing design. I love designing a lot. I love designing. If not because of my academic and some other thing I'm also attending to. If I have time very well, I can keep designing every day. But you know, at the same time, that has money and some other things. So guys, if you want to become a professional and you want to become a best web designer, make sure you seek for someone who can guide you. Make sure you have a mentor. I have my mentor, people I seek counsel from. I seek counsel from these people and this. And I bring them together. I merge them to become one. If you want to go beyond your boss, make sure you learn beyond your boss. There was a time I designed a video on how to add yourself on Google Store. How to add yourself on Google whereby when people search for your name and it's gonna bring out this thing. My boss called me and said, Michael, please come and teach me this. And I said, no, boss, I can't teach you. Let me help you to do it. He said, no, don't help me to do it. I want you to teach me. I was so surprised that there are some things my boss did not know. See, let me tell you something. In this life, nobody knows everything. But make sure you are current. Make sure you are doing something unique. See, if you can lay hold on this, I can assure you that you're going to become the best. I mean the best. So guys, please, and if you actually want me to mentor you or guide you, I've seen a lot of people shutting me up and say, deleting, please come and mentor me, please come and guide me, come and train me, stuff like that. I'm a free person. You can reach out to me anytime, or you can reach out to me on 09035382271, or you can also shout me up or come to my website. I got grace, I'm deleting. You can just come here online and search for deleting, and you will be deleting. Now you will be automatically have access to, you'll be able to see me. You can see my business from my WhatsApp stuff. Just chat me up. You are free to contact me anytime, please. No matter how, if I have any issue or you have any video you want me to design for you, you want me to put across to you, or probably you want one-on-one training with me, or you want me to at least, maybe you want to seek counsel, anything as touching web design and on any other online businesses. Now you think like maybe graphic design, though I'm not really good at that, or maybe like copywriting, content creation and stuff like that, you can reach out to me on 09035382271, and I will be glad to see you in my next video tutorial. Sorry, please, in case you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do that now, because your subscription is one of the benefits I gain from this. Thank you very much. Deleting, love you. And don't forget, one more time, my name is Adina Komaike Sunday. I'm a web designer and I'm a student of Adekunle Ajah University. I study accounting. Love you very much. I wish the best for you. Bye. Have a wonderful day.